Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. You don't want to miss this one.
Beachy Beach.
Today we have this wonderful duplex. Not only is it a duplex, but it could also be rented as one full space. If you want to rent this as a duplex, you've got one floor on bottom with a full kitchen, bath, and 2 bedrooms, as well as a whole floor on top with a kitchen, bath, and 2 bedrooms. This property is also so unique, you've got to come in and check it out. Come on in and welcome to this beautiful West End short-term rental property. It is so unique. You have a downstairs unit and an upstairs unit, or you can rent the whole space. In this unit, you've got a quaint little living room over here, but it's open to your dining space as well as the kitchen. So it's perfect for you to just lounge out here, and we've got 2 bedrooms. So let's go check it out. So this is the larger of the 2 bedrooms on the downstairs unit, but what's really great is you've got so much space here. It's not quite an ensuite, but the bathroom's right there. It's perfect for all your needs. But here's something special. Right outside this door, let's check it out. The perks don't even stop. Out here, you've got your own private little oasis for this property. You've got this pool here with a beautiful fountain, a hot tub. You've got an outdoor kitchen, a table, and you've got more access to that theater upstairs. What more do you want in a short-term rental? You've got to check this out. Come on in. You've got your own theater with this property. 5, 6, 7 people, roll up on the floor. You can even have popcorn while you're watching a movie. How cool is that? Welcome, and look at this. All these windows with the light flooding in this property. This is such a unique property in that you have 2 spaces or you have 1 big one. It's really super cool. But for now, let's talk about this upstairs version of the unit. You've got a full kitchen with a beautiful island, enough space for everybody, beautiful cabinets, and a nice hood vent. It's been modernized and updated just like you would expect. It opens right up to the rest of this enjoyment of all this Florida sunshine with the living room and the dining room, and there's even a little nook for you to continue just talking, hanging out, or whatever. So let's check out the 2 bedrooms that are on this floor. So there's 1 bathroom to the 2 bedrooms on this top floor. You have a lockout, you can actually access downstairs, or if it's going to be on your own, you can actually walk outside and be separate from the unit below. So it's perfect. So for more information on this cute duplex, look in the description below, check out the MLS listing for all fine details, pictures, and extra information. And don't forget, subscribe to The Beach Show on YouTube. Ring that bell. Don't miss any future videos for great investments like this one.